Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word juxtaposed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. In the art exhibit, the artist juxtaposed images of urban decay with vibrant scenes of nature to create a thought-provoking contrast. Juxtaposed means to place two or more contrasting elements side by side, often to highlight differences or create a comparison between them. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.